Hey guys, doing a alternator job on a 2000 Ford Focus with the Zetec engine, dual overhead cam. It's an old alternator, just got it out. There's the new one I'm about to put in. Basic things you need to know: side engine mount, bottom engine mount, can't really see it. Undo a bunch of wires, take off the belt, 2 bolts for the alternator. Don't forget to undo the battery, very important. But the trick that's going to save you a lot of time and frustration is cutting off this guy right here. All it does is absolutely nothing. Maybe it holds up one of these plugs, I don't know. But I cut it off to be able to finally weasel the alternator out of this hole, this crevice that I made by lowering the engine forward and taking the mounts out. This will save you a ton of frustration and a ton of time. Just do it, hack it off. This isn't going to be a show car, so don't worry about making it look its prettiest. No one's going to miss this little piece. Hopefully this helps you guys save a lot of time and frustration. Thanks. Just so you guys can see, there's where I took that bracket off. If I didn't do it, I just don't know of any other way that'll fit. I'm sure the manual will tell you something different, but again, cut that off because you can see how tight of a fit it is, and it's almost impossible to get it off without cutting that. So I'll show you a video once it's installed. Final segment of the video. Here it is installed. Got all the wires put back in their place. Had to zip tie one connector. It was loose to begin with. Somebody else was working on it and left it loose. Did it go in the post? Who knows? Doesn't need to go there now. Nope. Well, hopefully that little bit of information helps you guys from getting frustrated and can save you a lot of time. Just cut off that stupid little post right there. Thanks, guys.